What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be watching something different than usual. And as you can see, that is insurance scamming clowns, or whatever you wanna call them. So without any further ado, let's dive into this.
So what are you doing?
Well, that performance won't get him any acting awards anytime soon, so better luck next time, right? So now let's move on from this Oscar-winning actor to another. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, I think Jackie Chan should hire him for the next movie. And everybody here is like, are you done yet? Oh my god, look how he parked his bike perfectly. Yeah, you got hit for sure, in your head probably when you were born. Oh my god, this is ridiculous, really. Let's see here. Charge! Boop! Oh, that was a hard hit. Damn. 6 out of 10 for acting. That's my rating for her. And that's basically all she's gonna get, because insurance company won't give her a dime. Yeah. Oh, really, again? You do realize how stupid you look on camera, right? Oh look, there's a quarter. Sorry man, I was trying to get that quarter. And the driver is like, why are you gay? Why are you gay? This guy here is like, you shall not pass. The audience is not impressed. This guy here is like, I'm just gonna take a random left, right here. And this fella here likes to do things in slow motion. He's thinking, maybe if I do this slowly, no one will see me. Oh crap, he saw me. Never mind, I'll try the next day. She's a drama llama, isn't she? And a bit mentally disturbed llama. I thought that was her car. Everyone decided to just leave. I'ma head out. Let's see here. So far so good. Oh hell no. That's some BS. He wanted to make it look like he was rear-ended. Go get a life, man. Oh, come on, man. That was not even close. Oh. I'ma head out. He wasn't committed enough to that move, so that's a fail. What was that, mate? No, 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 no. Oof. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look how hard that Ford had to brake to avoid him. That's how intelligent they are. Look at him. Oh, you're so scary. Ooh. Bunch of idiots. Look at him, look at him. I wish I could beat his ass. It's a dolphin dive time. Boop. Oh, wait a minute, just a sec. I need to warm